Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this 360 wig that is super glueless at the back. So if you're interested, continue watching. So in today's video I'll be working with Cynosure hair company. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm just showing you guys what I received. So I got some eyelashes, some press on nails, some cluster lashes, a wig cap, a melt band, a makeup brush, the wig itself. We got some instructions on how to stitch the thread that they gave us, because they gave you extra thread, which is this in the package. We also got some lace tape and then instructions on how to install this wig with it being glueless. So this is how the wig is looking. Some nice curly hair. So this is the front, yeah, then this is the back, and this is how inside looks. So we have two combs at the side, one comb at the back. You also have an adjustable band inside, yeah. And then in the back you have the thread, which allows the back of the wig to be glueless. Do you see how that gathers? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the back of the lace because we don't need it and it'll be easier for the install. So I wanted to go ahead and cut all the extra lace off first. So this is how the wig is looking. As you can see, I cut the back and I'm just going to show you guys. So this is how you adjust the back. You just pull onto the string and just use that little knob that's there to just grip the wig tighter. So I'm going in with my concealer and I'm just going to spread that all over the back of the frontal area. This just helps it to blend into my skin better. My hair is already braided into 6 straight back, flat, nice braids. Then I'm going to use the comb at the back of the wig and I'm just going to stick it in the middle of my braids, right in the middle. And then I'm just going to pull the wig up. And this is just to help me make sure the wig is centered. So once the wig is fitted in my head properly, I'm going to go ahead and just push it back a little and go in with my Ebin adhesive spray and just spray that along my hairline. Once that's done, I'm using my fingers to tap it in a bit. And then I'm going to take the lace and lay it back on top of the adhesive. So I do like going in with my comb, just press it in. Just to press the hair into the adhesive. I just like doing this. It's not necessary, but I like doing it. And then I also went in with an extra coat of the adhesive after. And once I did that, I used my blow dryer to dry it. So now I'm just going in and cutting around my ear tabs. This is just any extra lace that's covering over your ears. You want to make sure you remove it. And I normally like to do this before I spray the adhesive, but I completely forgot about that. So I did it now instead, but I do recommend doing it before applying the adhesive. That way you save yourself from adding extra spray. But now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace around the hairline. So I'm just using a razor. You don't have to use a razor, you can use scissors, but I also do recommend going in like a zigzag shape, cutting it very jaggedy so it gives you more of a natural look. Once I remove the extra lace, I'm just going back in with that adhesive spray. This is just now to help melt the lace, so I'm just spraying it and then using the end of my tail comb to just melt the lace a bit and blow drying it at the same time. And once I've done that to the hairline, I'm going to go ahead and put on my melt band. So this is how it's looking. I did allow the melt band to dry for a bit and then I came back. So yeah, this is me just removing the melt band now after it dried. And then I'm going to use my tail comb and just comb through the hairline, because when you spray the adhesive on the hair, it does make it stiff. So you want to make sure you go ahead and comb it out. And once I've done that, I'm just going to now flatten the closure, the frontal portion a bit. So I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to go in sections and just press it down. So once I've finished using the hot comb on the top portion, I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle, and there's only water in here, and I'm just going to spray it all over the hair just to define the curls. I recently also love using my bio silk oil just in the curly hair. Once it's so wet, I just find that it makes it look really nice and it doesn't make it stiff at all. It feels really soft. So that's what I was doing here. And I'm just showing you guys how their curly hair just looks, just like this, no styling. I didn't really style it or anything yet, but that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. So I did decide that I wanted 2 bangs at the front for the first style, and for my sideburns I decided I wanted sideburns, but I didn't cut them, so I left them long. And then I did a little cute half up half down style. So this is how the style is looking. Cute. Yeah, I think I got this claw clip off of Shein. It's my daughter's. But now I'm just putting the hair in a ponytail because I really want to show you guys how easy it is to put this hair up without any glue. Like, this is a no glue at the back type of thing. So for my girlies that love their ponytails and don't have time to be going to the hair salon, this is definitely for you. So as you can see, this is how the back is looking. Turn to show you guys. Yeah, so this is their invisible strap. It allows it to make the wig glueless. So all I'm doing is pulling it to tighten it, and then I'm using this piece to just push up to get it as tight as I want it. Then I'm just sticking that strap underneath the wig, and that is it, guys. That is it. As simple as that. Could you imagine? So once again, I'm showing you guys on the next side, literally pulling the strap, tightening it, sticking in that strap, and that is it. We are good to go. I still can't believe how easy this process is, and look how natural it looks. You would think it's glued down, but no, it's not. This is how it is looking. So I did decide to put it into a little cute bun after. There's so many hairstyles you can do. This wig is so versatile, but I did do a little bun and left the ends out. Cute. So yeah, this is how the hairstyle is really looking. Shout out to Cynosure Hair Company for sending over this unit, for allowing me to try something that I did not even know was possible. So if you guys are interested, all their hair details will be down in my description box below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.